What is going on, everybody? Today I have something very exciting for you. I have an unboxing right here. Now this item may or may not have been announced somewhere in the middle of January. Not sure, but we'll find out. Anyway, let's get on to the unboxing. All right, so here we go. It's time to officially unbox. Now we're just going to take this knife and just slide it down. Slide this across. Cut away. All right. Now you just cut across here. Boom. Pluck it, file it to the side. Now let's see what we got in here. This is some pretty weird packaging by Samsung, by the way. So that's going to get filed off to the side. Now, this is very different from the way Samsung used to do it in the past. So I have a couple of things here. First, I have this smart tag. This goes on your keys. I don't believe it's thin enough to go in your wallet, but this is actually good to have. This smart tag right here. Yeah, so we're just gonna file this to the side. Next up is this silicone case. Now this is the case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra right here. And finally, last but not least, this anti-reflector screen protector. I don't know why I said anti-reflector, but that's what I said. By the way, those items that I unboxed, those were free items with the pre-order. I just wanted to clarify that really quick. Now, are you ready for the star of the show? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now we're just gonna take this stuff, put that off to the side. I think I might need my knife here again. Yes, I do. Do not accept if the seal has been broken. Well, time to break the seal. Oh wait, I don't need to actually do that, I don't think. Huh. Well, this is interesting. Okay, so this could also be ripped here up top. I'm having a hard time with it. Finally got it. There you go. That's one. Boom. And there she is, right there. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in all its glory. So right away, if I could get the phone out of the box, there you go. No cables, as far as I see anyway, but this is a very much more boxy feel compared to the S22 Ultra, which I'm actually using to record this. Now in here you have, let's see here. I don't see a USB cable, which is interesting. Ah, because it was in this right here, and that just fell. So I have my SIM ejector, which I'm going to use in just a minute. There's a quick start guide. Here's my USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm going to pluck it, file it to the side. We don't need this knife anymore, so I'm just going to fold it up and put it off to the side. Now you could see here that it's searching for the data, so it's going to find it and it's going to start transferring. And now we're just going to flat out do everything. Okay, so my early impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are that it's actually a very solid device and it's very fast. I'm able to zip through the software very well without many hiccups. It's a lot more boxier than the previous Galaxies, particularly the Ultras and the Notes. And that's mainly because there is no edge design. There's no overflow display. It's a flat display, which is something I really enjoy actually, because that's less of an area that can actually break on a drop. But anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be doing a review on this device, so stay tuned to the channel. Also, if you enjoyed the OnePlus 8T review that I did a while back, that's in the playlist as well. You could check that out, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Bye-bye.